out, they know, aha, food's coming up really soon. So we start looking over here, especially on the right-hand side, you'll see little pieces of shrimp and cut up fish, some squid perhaps. Now, all these fish are not going to be partaking in this eating. For instance, the groupers, the giant groupers, you can't miss those guys. They're very curious animals. This stuff is way too small for them. They're going to wait for the bigger fish when they get their target-fed fish later on. But they're very curious, so they're going to be checking things out here. All right, so you can see pieces of shrimp. I see some cut-up fish there. Whoa. Now watch out for those groupers. They get a little territorial there. You don't want to mess with them. So everybody is very excited. They're getting fed. Now, if you look at the screens, our zoo ops people, they're very careful to get the food into the pipe, into that tubing. But once in a while, they miss the tubing and it lands in the water. Our fish are smart. They know they don't have a great aim. And so you'll see fish up in the top right-hand corner of the window. They're going to get to the surface. They know they can get food a lot faster up there, and they compete with all these guys down here. They're pretty smart.
Here. Oh. No more. All done.
Some of the feeding's going on. We try to point out some of the more interesting fish. In fact, if you look up at the top there, you see one of our sawfish swimming around, getting ready to run into one of our whale sharks. Careful. Ooh, that's a close shave. Alright, the whale sharks have the right of way, by the way. So that's one of our female whale sharks up there. Our whale sharks, by the way, they range between 20 and 26 feet in length. We do expect them to get up about 30 feet or longer. We do have 4 whale sharks, 2 males and 2 females. Here's the interesting thing about the whale sharks. They're not partaking in any of this feeding going on. The whale shark, if you didn't know, is the world's largest fish. And they actually cannot eat any of these fish you see in front of you because their throat's the size of a quarter. So they eat a small shrimp-like animal called krill. And they're filter feeders. So when they are fed the krill, they take in large amounts of water, they filter the krill out of the water, swallow it, and the remaining water passes out their gills. So it looks like they have finished putting the food down our tube, so we're just letting the remaining of that food get pumped out to the tube.